Hi friends, this is Vamsi Naik. Coming straight into the video, the gear shift pattern for all Shine series from Honda is all are on backside. Okay, so just imagine if the bike is in neutral condition, to go to the first gear, tap on one time for backside, then second time for second gear, third, fourth gear. Okay, so the upward sections of the gears have been finished. You have to down the gears now. So for that you have to tap for one time front, let's go to third gear, then again second gear, first gear, neutral. That's it. Okay, so if you want to see the live demonstration of this gear pattern, the links are available in the description, so check out that video so that you can get the clarity regarding how we have to shift the gears. Okay, so please note that friends, all the series that means 110cc bikes up to 125cc bikes, the same gear pattern has to be followed universally. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video friends. Always take care. Bye bye.